Welcome all of you. Uh, Myself, Dr. Chandrakant Lonkar, and my colleague Sujata Kuldipke are going to present our research paper for this international e-conference. Our title is Changing Roles of Education and Teacher in the COVID-19 pandemic situations to face the globalization. Introduction. Education is the base of all knowledge. Previously, food, cloth, and shelter were the basic needs of human being. Nowadays, education and health are added to basic needs. A child learns from birth to death, so a teacher is a transmitter, mediator, guide, friend, and innovative leader in the education process. COVID-19 pandemic situation created digital divide among the learners, like online gadgets accessible learners and not accessible learners. Role of education and teacher is crucial in this globalized era. So, what is the role of education in this pandemic situation? The first role of education, we must know what is education. Education means an all-rounded development of society and its units. Here, education is all-rounded development of all the children in the nation. Development of skill, proper habits, attitudes, and human values. Application of knowledge as and when required with right dose, we known as education. Education is the destiny of India or nation. India Education Commission report 1964-66 states that the destiny of India is now being shaped in her classrooms. Every child in the nation develops through classrooms. So, education is the destiny of India. The third role of education in this pandemic situation. The first role, access, refers to expansion of educational institutes, schools, colleges, and universities. Role of access to the every child in India, irrespective to his abilities or disabilities. Our ambitious neighbor China has 3,000 universities, or had National Knowledge Commission recommended in India one university for each district. Fourth role of education is a role of inclusion or equity in education. The second role of inclusion or equity refers the idea of social justice. Numbers of poor and handicapped people are in our country, and so we have to include them in the mainstream education. The fifth role of education in this pandemic situation is a role of excellence in education. Excellence focuses on the high quality education, educators, educational materials, and educational facilities. All these things we have to excel with the competitive global world. If India is to become an honorable member of the new knowledge society and knowledge economy, so education is the must, and education play a pivotal role in this. Learning the treasure within. UNESCO report 1996, its true and immortal observations are as follows. School and colleges should impart both the desire for and pleasure in learning, the ability to learn, how to learn, and intellectual curiosity. There is no substitute for the teacher people relationship, which is underpinned by authority and developed through dialogue. So everyone or every individual should expose or should uh, understand the treasure within himself or herself. Role of teacher. We have seen in the first stage what is the role of education in these pandemic situations, and the second important uh, pillar of education is teacher. Role of teacher in these pandemic situations. A teacher shapes the next generation. He exposes hidden wealth of the nation. In the COVID-19 situations facing globalized world, teachers' roles are as follows. The teacher as a knowledge center. The first role of teacher is, Francis Bacon said, knowledge is power. So a teacher must be knowledge source to his students. He should use various reference books, journals, and internet sources to update his knowledge. So they will motivate their students to acquire knowledge, and he is a source of knowledge to his students. Second role of teacher as a planner and administrator. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. This proverb suggests importance of planning and management. A teacher has to plan such as year plan, month plan, week plan, unit plan, or lesson plan. He can use various teaching methods, techniques, and tools in his teaching process. So, teacher should be a good planner and administrator. Third role of teacher is the teacher as a character builder. The very important role in character building of nation. A teacher is an ideal character role model to his students. The teacher should be a role model to his students. A teacher is essential for civic order and citizenship. He can build the civilized generation. Fourth role of the teacher as a guide and friend. The teacher is no longer as a sage on the stage, but the guide on the side. The teacher is a guide. He directs, he is a lighthouse to the students. He he can counsel or he can guide properly. Great teachers have been great friends of their pupils. These two quotations suggest the importance of teacher as a guide and friend to his students. The teacher as a creator, the fifth role, being creative is seeing the same thing as everybody else but thinks of something different. Macquarie Dictionary defines who is creative. The teacher should be creative so he can develop his students' creative souls. Sixth role of the teacher as a coordinator. A teacher plays as a role of coordinator between students and principal or headmaster. He also coordinates among students. He also coordinates the whole teaching learning process in the school environment. So he should be a good coordinator. Seventh role of a teacher, the teacher as a facilitator. Today's principle is the learning through doing. A student is the center of learning process. He should be a facilitator of students to content enrichment. He should solve the problems of his students. He should facilitate the content and all the learning process. Seventh role, the teacher as a researcher. This is very important. A role of teacher in this pandemic situation. We are facing problems, health problems. We are facing quality problems. So the teacher plays as a role of researcher. A statement is here: a nation's development or progress doesn't depend upon its population or natural resources, but it depends upon the researchers in the nation. What researchers happens in the nation? Every nation's development or progress is depend upon its researchers. So teacher should be a researcher, and he can develop the minds or souls of students to solve problems or to create new generation in innovative research minds way. The ninth role of teacher, the teacher as a counselor. This is very important nowadays. Uh, he is an experienced person and understands students' problem. So he can give valuable counsels to his students. Teacher is a good counselor, and he understands each students in the class. So he can solve their problems. He can give good counsels to them. The last but not the least one, this is the important role of teacher in the pandemic situations in the globalization era. The teacher as an evaluator. Evaluation is a process of judging. Teaching and testing are just the two sides of the same coin. The teacher's duty is not just to go on giving learning experiences, but also to judge whether the learner has understood and any behavioral change has taken place or not. The teacher should evaluate properly. The teacher should conduct tests. He should give assignments. He should give some homework, and he should evaluate properly, objectively as a evaluator. Conclusion of the paper: education is a human being's basic need. Learning for development is the motto of the modern education. In the era of globalization and COVID 19 situations, a teacher is no longer viewed as the transmitter of knowledge or a dispenser of wisdom, but as a diagnostician, guide, assistant, whenever appropriate, encourager, stimulator, promoter, and an interactive participant in the education process. References used for this paper and some websites. uh, we both collaboratively prepared this paper, and with all, uh, we both of you, thank you all of you.